Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate file sharing with Dropbox. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate file sharing with Dropbox, start by logging into your Dropbox account. Once logged in, navigate to the folder you want to set up for sharing. Click on the Share button located next to the folder name. In the sharing settings, you'll see an option to add people. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share with. Choose the level of access you'd like them to have, either viewer or editor. Click on the Share Folder button to send invitations. Next, head over to Dropbox Automation Tool, Zapier, by creating a free account if you don't have one. Once logged into Zapier, click on Make as App. Search for Dropbox in the Trigger App section. Select the trigger event that suits your needs, like New File and Folder. Connect your Dropbox. Once connected, select the specific folder you want to use for automation. Next, choose the action app you want to integrate with Dropbox. For example, you can select email if you want to notify someone when a new file is added. Configure the action settings by entering relevant details like email addresses and message content. Test your Zap to ensure everything is functioning properly. Once the test is successful, give your Zap a name and turn it on. Now, whenever a new file is added to the specified Dropbox folder, it will automatically trigger your specified action. That's it. You've successfully automated file sharing with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.